Hello and welcome to this video. Friends, I will show with you step by step how you can change your flight date in Transavia flights. So if you want to change your flight date, you can change your travel date following simple steps: passenger and flight time. All you have to do, go to your option booking go to manage your booking option and then choose change your flights. After that, if you have any flight you want to change, for example, you will see flight here. Just choose your location you want to go or you want to change dates. So friends, choose this one date. For example, you want to choose 3 or 4 July, click the date from here and then choose your return you want to back from here, for example 23 August 2026, and then apply your change. From here you can apply. Basically, this is how you can do. You can change travel dates and flight time and passenger detail. Can be done up to 2 hours before depart. So this is the good point here. You have 2 hours before you go. And then you can choose your time from here. And if you have any flight, you can change easily your dates. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and share this video.